1. The first line of treatment for septic shock is A. Antibiotics. B. Intravenous fluids. C. Vasopressors. D. Oxygen therapy. Right answer is B. Intravenous fluids. 2. A patient with a blood pH of 7.30 is experiencing A. Alkalosis. B. Normal pH. C. Acidosis. D. Hyperventilation. Right answer is C. Acidosis. 3. Which drug is contraindicated in pregnancy? A. Paracetamol. B. Warfarin. C. Amoxicillin. D. Magnesium sulfate. Right answer is B. Warfarin. 4. The normal range for central venous pressure, CVP, is A. 2 to 6 mmHg. B. 8 to 12 mmHg. C. 10 to 15 mmHg. D. 4 to 8 mmHg. Right answer is a 2 to 6 mmHg. 5. The most common cause of peptic ulcer disease is A. Stress. B. Alcohol consumption. C. NSAID use. D. Helicobacter pylori infection. Right answer is D. Helicobacter pylori infection. 6. Which type of insulin is long-acting? A. Regular insulin. B. Lispro. C. Glargine. D. NPH. Right answer is C. Glargine. 7. The therapeutic level of digoxin is A. 0.5–2.0 nanograms per milliliter. B. 2.5–4.0 nanograms per milliliter. C. 3.0–5.0 nanograms per milliliter. D. 1.0–3.0 nanograms per milliliter. Right answer is a 0.5–2.0 nanograms per milliliter. 8. Which of the following is a high-priority nursing diagnosis for a patient with a tracheostomy? A. Risk for infection. B. Impaired verbal communication. C. Ineffective airway clearance. D. Altered nutrition. Right answer is C. Ineffective airway clearance. 9. The antidote for benzodiazepine overdose is A. Naloxone. B. Atropine. C. Flumazenil. D. Protamine sulfate. Right answer is C. Flumazenil. 10. Which electrolyte imbalance is associated with Trousseau's sign? A. Hyperkalemia. B. Hyperkalemia. C. Hypernatremia. D. Hypocalcemia. Right answer is D. Hypocalcemia. 11. Which blood component is most effective in treating hypovolemic shock? A. Fresh frozen plasma. B. Whole blood. C. Platelets. D. Packed red blood cells. Right answer is B. Whole blood. 12. The best time to administer a proton pump inhibitor is A. After meals. B. At bedtime. C. Before breakfast. D. During meal. Right answer is C. Before breakfast. 13. The most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage is A. Retained placenta. B. Uterine atony. C. Cervical laceration. D. Coagulation disorders. Right answer is B. Uterine atony. 14. Which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? A. CN2 optic. B. CN3 oculomotor. C. CNIV trochlear. D. CNV trigeminal. Right answer is A. optic. 15. A positive Romberg test indicates A. Vestibular dysfunction. B. Cerebellar ataxia. C. Peripheral neuropathy. D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 16. Which of the following drugs is classified as a beta blocker? A. Metoprolol. B. Lisinopril. C. Amlodipine. D. Furosemide. Right answer is C. Amlodipine. 17. What is the normal range of hematocrit in adult females? A. 35 to 45%. B. 45 to 55%. C. 25 to 35%. D. 30 to 40%. Right answer is a 35 to 45%. 18. The primary intervention for a patient with diabetic ketoacidosis is A. Providing oral glucose. B. Restricting fluids. C. Administering potassium. D. Administering insulin. Right answer is D. Administering insulin. 19. Which heart sound is associated with mitral stenosis? A. S1. B. S2. C. S3. D. S4. Right answer is A. S1. 20. The treatment for pneumothorax includes A. Bronchodilators. B. Oxygen therapy. C. Chest tube insertion. D. Antibiotics. Right answer is C. Chest tube insertion. Thank you for watching this video.